for alligator, lurking in the swamp. B is for bear with the powerful stomp. C is for cat with the soft little purr. D is for dog, always ready to stir. A is for elephant with a trunk so grand. F is for flamingo, in pink they stand. G is for giraffe with the neck so high. H is for horse galloping by. I is for iguana, soaking in the sun. J is for jellyfish, a translucent one. K is for kangaroo, hopping so fast. L is for lion with the roar that lasts. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, gliding through the seas. O is for owl with its wise big eyes. P is for panda, munching bamboo supplies. Q is for quail, darting through the grass. R is for raccoon with a mask that's class. S is for squirrel, storing nuts away. T is for tiger, prowling for its prey. U is for unicorn, a magical delight. V is for vampire bat, flying through the night. W is for worm, wiggling underground. X is for Xenarthra, where armadillos are found. From A to Z, the animals we found.